What do you do when the going gets tough with your trading? Do you give up or do you keep going? Let's talk about that and more right now. Hi Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. This is video and podcast number 224. And I want to talk about what do you do as a person and as a Forex trader when the going gets tough. Because it's very easy to just throw everything out and go, it's not working, blame the broker, blame the system, blame everything when things go tough. So I'll give you an example. Just this week, I've had quite an average week with my own personal trading through Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. And it was like, oh, what, I'm fine. I've been trading like 12 years, but I could see people would go at that stage, this is not working, or do I start to tweak something? Do I change my method? Do I add something? Do I give up? What do I do? And it wasn't like really bad, it was just not a great start to the week. But then yesterday being Thursday, I had a tremendous day, great profitable trades, and it's made up for all those losses, got me back to break even for the week and now into profit. And now right now as I'm talking to you, we're on Friday and I'm up over 1.5% gain for the week. So it's gone from being a really pretty bad week through to a very good week. But the reason it's done that is because I've stuck to my plan, I've stuck to my strategy. I haven't given up, haven't thrown my toys out of the cot and go, oh, it doesn't work. And the problem is that so many people, especially the newer traders, do that too quickly. And you have to try and avoid doing that. You've got to control your emotions. And sure, no one likes to have losing trades and losing periods of time, but everybody does. And you need to be able to accept that and take it and continue, because, when you have good periods, as I did yesterday, yes, it's nice to celebrate that and go, well, didn't I do well? But it's also about not getting that go to your head either, and then doing stupid things on the next few days which go and blow all the good work. So it's really important to have that balance. Another example of that is a client of mine called Xavier, who lives over in America. He posted a message on my forum site for clients, and he said over the last 30 days he's taken 120 trades in total, which is quite a number of trades, but he's a very active Forex trader. 89 of those trades have lost and 31 of those trades have been profitable. So you could look at that and go, that's not particularly high, ratio. And a lot of people would say with those 89 losses, they might have, sort of got fed up or, stopped trading. But Xavier has said he's up 14.5% account gain, low risk per trade, but made 14.5% in the last 30 days of trading. So it's tremendous account gain. You think about that, 14.5% in 30 days. You can't get that at too many banks or other ways of investing around the world, but Xavier's done that. And he made a great point. He said that you have to trade your system, not your account size. So he said it's all about trading the system, sticking to the system. And what he's done with that high number of losses is he's controlled his risk and he's kept his losses very, very small. A number of those trades would be like break-even trades or small losses, things like that. But when he's had profitable trades and the market's moved in the direction of the trade that he's looking for, he's had very high gains. He posted a couple trades on the forum site. One of them had a 3-to-1 reward to risk. One had a 5. And there was even one on his account that he posted that it had a 7-to-1 reward to risk on that one trade. So what he's doing there is he's saying, look, I'm controlling my risk. If I take a loss, it's going to be a real small loss or controlled loss. And then what I'm also doing is when the market moves in my favor, I can move my stops up to protect the trade, to guarantee profit, close part trades, but also when the market's moving in my direction, I'm getting huge gains out of that. So, once again, 14.5% in 30 days of trading. You've got to seriously look at that and go, wow, this is some excellent trading going on here. But as I said with the topic of this video and podcast, when the trading gets tough, what do you do? Xavier keeps going because he knows the strategy that I've taught works, and it's worked for him and it continues to work. So, yeah, it's an important point there. On the charts, today we've got the US non-farm employment change data, and at the weekend we've got the second round of the French election. So just be really careful when you see these big news announcements. You've noticed from a few weeks ago with the first round of that French election, huge gaps on a Monday morning, especially on like the Euro pairs, and we're likely to see that again this Monday coming. Of course, it could depend on the outcome of the results, but likely to see big movements, big gaps. So just be really careful when you see that. The other thing that I'll quickly let you know is that, and I'm sure you know already, is that Monday and Tuesday of next week, so it'll be the 8th of May if you're in America and Europe is when it starts your time. But the 9th of May, which is also my own birthday, and it's the 8th birthday of the Forex Trading Coach, I've got an annual sale. Great way of joining us and getting results like Xavier, at just a drastically reduced fee. Now, the Forex Trading Coach is 8 years old next week, so it's something I'm immensely proud of. I've taught and helped thousands and thousands of Forex traders all around the world. And when I look at the companies, whether they be signal services, educators, brokers, whatever they may be, from 8 years ago, not too many of us are still going today. And I'm really proud of that fact that it's helping people of what I do. It's just creating a global community of Forex traders who are just making excellent gains from their trading. So if you'd like to be part of that, jump onto that sale straight away next week. And I'm also looking forward to the next 8 years again. So, it's been a great first 8 years. We're looking forward to another 8 years plus more of helping other traders around the world and just growing a just fantastic group of Forex traders. So once again, this is Andrew Mitchem, the Forex Trading Coach. Have a great weekend. Be careful of those gaps on Monday, which are likely to occur. And I'll see you this time next week.